I don't know about you, but I often write ideas and thoughts in different places, sometimes in notebooks, sticky notes, my phone, even in random chats on ChatGPT and Gemini. Technically, my ideas are saved, but saved is not the same as usable. So the question I have to ask myself, how do I make this work for me on a daily basis without it being another habit I abandon within a week? I set up Codex that connects to my ChatGPT account that has access to my files on my computer. So what I did is I set up an automation. Every morning it asks me, what did you do? What did you work on yesterday? What did you learn? My ideas, my thoughts, gives me also ideas from a source that I gave it. I switch on this microphone button if I'm at my desktop and I ramble. I just tell it what I did yesterday, what did I learn, what ideas came up into my mind. It then captures everything and creates me this file in my computer, the daily idea capture of the 1st of June 2026, lists the questions, summarizes the answers that I gave it, starts breaking everything down, gives me a summary, the details worth preserving from what I said, external sources if they exist, and then gives me ideas for content, for YouTube, for my newsletter, for my LinkedIn. But every morning now, my ideas and my thoughts get captured, automatically processed by the AI without me having to write anything. All I have to do is talk to this microphone and ramble out what I did yesterday. And Codex has access to this folder, Business Growth Team, as its project. So if I go into my Codex, you'll see Business Growth Team. This is connected to that folder in my Windows Explorer. If you want to see how to set up Codex and how to set up these folder structures, then I'll link to 2 videos in the description of this video and at the end of the video as well. You want to be able to create a habit of capturing your ideas without it being difficult. And that's the problem with writing these notes. You lose track of all your ideas and you're not capturing them on a regular basis. Whether I use them or not is not the point. At least now they're all captured here. I've only started using them in the last week. It's true that you can go into your ChatGPT or your Gemini or your Claude apps and ask it to create automated task for you. You can literally come to a new chat here in ChatGPT, click on the microphone and tell it set up a reminder at 10 a.m. to ask me these questions, just like I did in Codex. All of them have this feature now, but the problem is that it gets lost inside a chat. You get this long chat with ideas and you have to manually copy and paste them in some file, and then it becomes a chore and you don't want that. I tried it here, but I quickly lost interest in it because it didn't stick with me. I didn't create a routine that stuck. I realized the missing piece was not the answer. It was where the answer was saved. That's the thing that sticks for me. That's what I was waiting for, an AI tool that would make it easy for me to actually work. And working with Codex changed this for me because now it's not simply a case of, hey, AI, can you ask me questions every morning at 10 a.m. We'll have a chat about it. It's now ask me these questions with the sources. I'll answer you. You, using the skill that I give you, automatically will then read this, break it down into the format and the structure I gave you and I told you how to work on, save that, which is a separate task, save that into my hard disk in the right folder using the right file name, ready for me to then work on further down the line. So it's multiple steps. I don't have to spend too much effort. I've got into this habit. It's my actual AI diary at work. So how did I set this up? I told it, I want to set up a regular chat with you, let's say every day at 10 a.m. You ask me questions about what I learned yesterday, any ideas I came up with. We thought through questions it needs to ask me. I need you to then be able to create me a folder system, a folder structure inside the project that will store these ideas down. It also created me a skill that knows how to take my ramblings and break it down to the format that I want. Here that I can read on the right, but it's an actual file that's on my hard disk. I said to her, okay, let's test this. Set up the automation, which was this one, and edited the instructions of the automation. I didn't write this. It gives itself its own prompt and all the instructions that are important based on my conversation with it. And over time, I've iterated with it because originally what happened was In the daily idea capture folder here, I had one long file. It kept adding new daily capture into the same file. I want to be able to organize them per month for each and every day in their folders, so it's easy for me to read them and just manage all this, because in time, over a year, you can't have it all in one file. I'm able to just tell it to update itself. If it didn't work, I'll ask it why it didn't work, and it'll go off and search for why it didn't work and fix itself. That automation now runs every morning at 10 a.m. I go through the same process. It asks me these questions. But then I realized there's another little problem. I left it to myself to remember to do this. So it's true I have an automation scheduled task that creates me a notification. But if I'm not at my desk or I don't pay attention to this notification that it'll appear here, a little blue dot, then I leave it up to myself to remember. That can create a situation where I'm not in the routine. So what I did, when I switch on my computer, Codex starts up. I don't need to remember to turn on Codex. I also created a notification on my phone to remind me to write the note. Good workflows are not only about prompts when it comes to AI, it's getting into those routines, removing the points where workflows break down. You've got to find these little situations that will prevent you from getting into a habit. Just tell ChatGPT in this case, how could I best notify myself in order for me to come to you and give you my input so that you can go off and do your work. And it'll give you good answers sometimes. Now, OpenAI have connected our ChatGPT apps with Codex. On our mobile phones, we can connect to our Codex here on our computer. And I can talk to it. I can tell it, what did I work on yesterday? And ChatGPT here will do exactly the same thing. On my previous video, I show how that works. The link to that is in the description. So once you've set up the automation, I can say to it, create me a skill that will break down my answers into a summary and ideas and tasks from my answers. In my case, I create YouTube videos, I write LinkedIn posts, and I write newsletters. I only want ideas for that. I don't need Instagram. I don't need to think beyond that. It formats it in the way I describe it. I also tell it to go into my writing rules here, also a file about me, how I think, how I talk, how I write, my principles, my preferences. I want the skill to read these files first. I want it to understand my business strategy, and it'll go off and do it for you. So I hope you agree that that's a better way of creating a daily diary of your work, your thoughts, your ideas using AI, because it goes directly to your files. So let me know in the comments if you agree, if you like this idea. If you do like this video, click the like button and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, if you have any ideas or thoughts, please do comment in the comment section. It also lets me know if this content is actually valuable to you. If you want to see how to set up Codex and how to use it, then click on this video link here. Or if you want to see how to build your skills and how to set up those skills so that they can help you be your AI diary, then click on this video link here.